Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Daniel Air Diary. Today very busy day for me. We start from early morning and as always I'm running to Tesco to buy some stuff for my breakfast. It's a very early morning, I think it's like 7 o'clock or not even 7, and I just want to go to Tesco as soon as possible, buy stuff what I really need and back home. I hate when I'm in Tesco so early because I'm only one customer there and floor staff still working to put all the food on the shelf, and I feel like intruder there, but I want to do this as soon as possible and just enjoy my breakfast. I'm looking for some spices today for dinner, and I thinking to buy new pan, something what it's non-stick and it's big enough to fry my chicken for this evening. I decided to buy this pan, but now I can tell you it's not a really good choice after using this like for few days. Even price was quite high like for the pan. That's definitely not worth it to buy, but we all do mistakes and I can highly not recommend it. Let's back home, try new pan and do some poached eggs. You know already my favorite breakfast is a poached eggs with some spinach and a baguette, and I have this eggs every day from I don't know 3 months right now. And I really like it. It's never enough and just fill me full so long. And after breakfast I run to Dublin. The reason why I'm in Dublin with this beautiful weather is I need to go to Polish embassy because my ID expired a long time ago and I need to do new one. It's not that easy because I just want to apply for the new ID, but actually we need to do this online. The reason why I visiting embassy is just approve my profile because I cannot ask for new ID without profile, and I just was there with my passport and that's basically it. I visit McDonald's on a Grafton on the Connell Street, very busy, mostly very busy. Today was completely empty. I just grabbed my favorite flat white because I love this coffee and I'm on the way to Polish embassy. I cannot really do the videos there, but I tell you, I did nothing because you need appointment, and I didn't have an appointment because I didn't know I need appointment. When I asked for that, when I called to embassy, they told me, yeah, just you need to come to do like approval, and I just come to do approval. But yeah, we all do stupid things, and yeah, I have an appointment for next Friday. That will be great. Another thing, you saw the short shot I did photo shoot for the car, and I will do separate video about this just to tell you what I did, why I did, how I did, and I show you all details. Now I'm already in Bray and I'm enjoying the weather because when I was in Dublin I did nothing. I just decided to back home as soon as possible and enjoy this absolutely blue sky today. So good. I feel like really nice springtime. I did my cliff walk because cliff walk gave me my 10,000k steps. What 10,000k? 10,000 steps. What it's actually essential. Every day I do 10,000 steps from quite long, and I want to keep going. With this spectacular weather, it is beautiful view, it's just dream. That's the spot where I'm just finishing my cliff walk and I start back home. This is like tree of destiny for me because when I'm there I'm already on the way back. It's perfect day for walk, and it's dry and it's not even windy, what I really like it. And I'm happy to have GoPro with me and do this all beautiful footage. Of course, you can see more photos and videos on my Instagram and TikTok and Twitter and Facebook. You can just find me Daniel R Diary and you can see lots of super stuff there. Okay, I'm getting hungry and it's time for my dinner. I'm already close to my house and I did my 10,000, even 12,000 UP. The goal for today is done, and let's do some nice dinner. My dinner for today, it's a Caesar salad, but a little different way. I just have a marinated chicken. I have some halloumi cheese fried. I like when it's like really fried. And I have some extra sauce. The salad looks like that. Was delicious. It was huge as well. I love it. I can wait for another one. Was a really good choice. And after dinner I decided to go for another walk because it's nice. Okay, it's not so blue anymore, but it's still nice and it's not windy at all. And this time I picked a spot in the Powers Court. It's Riverwalk. I love Riverwalk. It's super cool area for walk, very easy, and it's lots of car space. You need a membership to go there, but it's definitely worth. I decided to do another around 10,000 steps here just to have a like extra today. But yeah, I'm enjoying weather because this is the most important thing. When weather it's nice and it's not windy, you're supposed to spend lots of time outside because it's really nice and cozy. That's my favorite spot on the Riverwalk. Today it's empty. I can just sit down, do some selfie, of course post on the Instagram what you can see, and I can continue my walk. Guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching me, to be part of my day in Dublin and cooking and walking. Have a great day and see you shortly in another vlog. Thank you very much.